former Conservative government refused to invest in any infrastructure larger than a doorknob or an economic action plan sign. We're continuing to invest in significant public transit, including with a permanent public transit fund, something that the Conservatives have again campaigned against. We will continue to be there to invest in Canadians.
The Honourable Leader of the Opposition.
Their very first infrastructure project was to install a doorknob in the Prime Minister's office when they took office, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, speaking of housing. I'm sorry, Mr. Speaker, sometimes I even crack myself up here.